gold right there. I have casted in that direction. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's solid. That thing T-boned it, dude. Oh, baby. Stay on there, old girl. That one's definitely better than the last one. Okay. Okay. Get on up in here. Oh, yeah, we got big boils. Big boils. Oh, girl is tugging, son. Oh, man, 360. 360. What do you know? How big is this thing? You guys are gonna tie her out. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. This one's got some, oh Lord. Put it in reverse, Terry. Oh yeah, she's thick. She's thick, she's tired. Alright, we're gonna try to gill her. Come here, old girl. Yep. Yep, in the yak. In the yak. Look at that fish. Oh my gosh. What a beaut, dude. Unit. Smoked the redfish magic. Right in the corner of the mouth. Wow. Let's get a length on her. Now that one could have gone home coming in at 25 and a quarter. Gorgeous fish. Look at that. What a beaut.